Yeah, hi guys, my name is Ankur. I'm back with a YouTube video. Now, this video is about how to add modifications to a game, and basically the game I'm talking about is GTA San Andreas, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Now, this game was released way back in 2005, but the reason we are still playing this game in 2013 and probably in the next 2 years we're still gonna play it. That's the reason for that is you can add the best, the coolest, and the most sophisticated and great looking modifications on this game. And I know there are lots of guys out there who know actually who are the masters of the game, who know how to add modifications. They do lots of stuff with the game, and like adding modifications, changing the maps, changing the textures, all those stuffs. But this video goes out to all those people who still want to learn how to add modifications to the game. And basically, as I found out, like say, I tried a lot to find out how to add modifications, and so I couldn't find a good video. So this is the one which I want to upload for you guys who are still out there, who still want to know how to add modifications to a game called GTA San Andreas. So here it goes. Now for that, the easiest and the most simple way is to, like, in any search engine or like any website you want to write how to add modifications to GTA San Andreas. They're going to pop up with software called the San Andreas Mod Installer. That's SAMI. Now basically the problem with that which I faced was, like, you double click on the icon and it says you are missing a program, a file called the .NET Framework 1.1 of Microsoft. And there was not a big issue with that because you can obviously download that, which I did download that .NET framework from Microsoft website. Basically what that does is it still shows the same kind of error with the SAMI file. So that is that is not a good option for me. Okay, so I searched the net, I did some research, and this is what I came up with. I came up with a software known as Spark. Okay, this is actually an image editing software. So you need to download that software, and when you have downloaded that software, you need to open that up. This is the Spark. Okay, and we'll see what kind of spark it adds to your life. Okay, so basically what you need to do, you need to go to File and Open, and go to GTA 3. This is the image file which you want to, like, modify. It's in GTA San Andreas, then in Models. Go to GTA 3, open that file. These are all the files and the folders which are in your GTA 3 image file. Basically these are all images of different sorts. And what you can do with this Spark is you can add modifications of any kind. Okay, you can add vehicles, you can add cars, you can add bikes, you can add weapons, or like textures, maps. I mean each and every stuff you can possibly think of. Like SAMI is it's only for adding cars, only for adding vehicle mods. Okay, but this software you can use for adding texture mods, vehicle mods, bikes, weapons, like different kinds of maps, buildings, anything and everything you can possibly think about. You can add modifications with this software. Okay, so basically what you need to do, I'm gonna just show you how to add a modification of a car. Okay, so this is what I downloaded off the net, a truck. Okay, and you need to add this truck to that file. Now whenever you're adding a vehicle, remember this: every time you're adding a vehicle, you're actually replacing another vehicle with this one, with the one that you need. Okay, so for example, I want to replace any vehicle in GTA San Andreas with the truck. Okay, with this cool truck that I want to drive. Okay, so basically what you need to do is you need to look for a car which you think would be suitable to the truck, and just replace that with the one that you are having, the downloaded file. So just for the video, I'm going to show you how to replace, and I have chosen this Infernus, the very first one. This was a cool car. Obviously if I was doing it on real, I wouldn't have ever replaced the Infernus, but just for the video I'm just going to show you. You need to replace this Infernus, okay, with the truck vehicle. And you go to truck. What you need to do is you need to rename whatever files you have in your, like, that's this particular folder with the car name which we want to replace. Suppose I'm replacing Infernus, so I'm just going to go ahead and rename these two files the name of the car which I want to replace as Infernus, which I've already done. So that's it. This is all you need to do, and then you go to Spark, go to export. This is export. This is the import. Sorry, that basically you need to import. I'm sorry. import and go to the place where your truck is saved. This is truck in furnace. Just shift and click on it has to be one .dff file and one .txt file, okay, and then you click on open. I'm not gonna do that because like I don't want to replace my furnace right now, so until better opportunities arise. So that's the way, and then you click on save. This is save, it's saved, and then you open up GTA San Andreas, and that car, the furnace, would be replaced with the truck which you just replaced it with. Alright, so like that is the easiest and perhaps the most coolest way to add modifications. And the best part about it is, unlike the San Andreas mod installer, you can add any kind of mod, like the map mods, the texture mods, the like you can also add different kinds of vegetation mods. Vehicles are always there. So like this is a pretty easy way, and of course all-in-one software. You don't have to install Sammy for vehicles, Spark for maps, another one for say vegetation or texture mods. So this Spark is all-in-one software which basically adds mods of any kind into GTA San Andreas. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and post your comments, and if you have any problem with Spark or with any kind of other software related to the video, you can always post a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much guys, and happy modding. Bye bye.